Dear channel partners, can you answer these questions related to your business? Does heavy invoicing at the end of the month help you to increase your return on investment (ROI)? Do you really earn exponential profits on bulk purchases? Is it possible to maintain the right stock at the right time at a genuine price? Are there any reliable solutions to manage supply chain clashes? We present to you a hypothetical situation and conversation between a company representative and a dealer that shall answer most of these questions. A representative of a company selling submersible pumps has come to meet a dealer. He wishes to know whether the dealer is satisfied with the company and its services or not.
Hello, good morning. How are you doing?
Welcome. Good morning. I am good. How are you?
Very well, thank you. How is business these days? Hope you're doing good.
Business is okay. Trying to survive in this cutthroat competition.
Is there something that bothers you? You seem upset. Is there anything that hinders your growth?
Yes, you are right. There is something that bothers me.
Please tell me if there is anything that concerns you with regard to business.
There is something I would like to discuss with you.
Please go ahead. I shall try to help you as much as I can.
See, firstly, your company does not give us long credits as other competitors. It gives attractive offers and gifts to end customers only. Don't you think we also need motivation of some kind?
Absolutely. Agreed.
And secondly, the margin given to us by the company is comparatively low.
I get it. I understand your problems now. Don't worry, sir. You are the backbone of our company, and for us, you're extremely important.
And lastly, other companies continuously offer month-end schemes. Considering this, we expect the same from your company as well.
Okay, let us discuss your concerns. Sir, most of the trade schemes offer volume-linked discounts, which are applicable for purchases made in a given period or at the end of a month. To avail these discounts, you need to make bulk purchases or even those SKUs which you are not sure of selling. Such schemes result in varying business prices as since you avail different discounts of different slabs. Let us assume that the company offers a similar scheme. Tell me, how will it help you increase your sales?
We will convince the customer and convert the demand from other brands to your brand.
May I ask you a question?
Certainly.
Do you always force customers to buy another brand than what they demand?
Actually, no. By doing that, he may switch to another dealer and I may lose an entire order which may contain other items too.
Precisely. By the way, what is the oldest stock of any company you have in your shop right now?
I think those X brand?
Alright, seems like it is lying for a long time.
Actually, I bought these in a volume scheme. But now, we are not able to sell it as there is a limited demand. The season was not good this time.
Couldn't you create the demand or convince the customers to buy these products?
Actually, these products are not much in demand in the market. And we can't force the customers to buy something which is not what they use or wish to have. We can't afford to lose our customers.
And still you are keeping these products because you had to buy them in a scheme, right?
Yes. And now these products are getting old and rusty. I may lose out my entire buying price. It is now that I realize what a huge mistake have I made.
Well, just like you, many dealers face the same issue. Stocks are lying at the shops which do not turn into sales. And thus, our company has come up with a very effective solution of this particular issue. Working on TOC model.
Interesting. How does it work?
All channel partners are connected online with the company and its warehouses.
All right.
With a mutual understanding between the company and the dealer decides his SKU-wise material level requirement and same is replenished frequently as per his actual SKU consumption at the shop.
Okay, how is that done? Is it really possible?
Yes, it is. Suppose you need to have product X in 50 numbers always at your shop. We freeze the level of X as 50 for your shop. We further segregate this stock in 3 levels: red, yellow and green. In this case, 0 to 15 stock level will be treated red, 16 to 30 yellow, 31 to 50 as green. And on your actual consumption, This level is maintained automatically without any human intervention. The material is replenished frequently in small quantities and as per actual demand. This model helps us to track the inventory levels, orders, and correct deliveries to avoid overstocking of products and outages. It also helps distributors to spend less on inventories, giving them an edge over the competitors. Thus, have a real-time, detailed visibility of key inventory control and supply chain management with every inventory trends, stock on order, and supplier on-time performance.
How will it help me in clearing the dead stock that I own?
This model will ensure that you don't create any dead or non-moving stock at your warehouse.
Impressive. This model proves to be beneficial to all.
Yes, and it will also save a lot of time with regard to data entry, daily communication, and order fulfillment.
Excellent.
You have to keep more stock of other companies as their distributors don't deliver all ordered material at the right time, right?
Yes. And in spite of having total inventory of 45 to 60 days of their products, availability at an individual SKU level is very poor. In some SKUs, I have stocks of more than 6 months of sale, while in others, I have no stocks for last 2 months.
But with our company, the daily availability is absolutely perfect at an individual SKU level. Stock outs are rare. We always ask you to buy small lots instead of offering schemes and pushing high volumes.
Oh yes, now it makes sense. With your company, we enjoy demand in the market, better earnings and faster rotation of stock. With more funds rotation, I earn more ROI.
Hope I could make you understand why our company functions the way it does. Our company aims at keeping you happy and satisfied always.
Quite right. Now I realize I have a fair and profitable dealing with you.
It is always a pleasure working with you. Thank you very much.